Welcome to County Portal, your simple source for local government services and public records. Let's get started.
Trying to figure out where to mail your IRS payment from California can be confusing because there isn't just one single address. The right place to send your check or money order depends entirely on what type of payment you're making and what form, if any, you're including with it. A common mistake is assuming you should send it to the big IRS facility in Fresno, but for payments, that's often incorrect. The most important rule is to always check the instructions for the specific form you are filing, as these addresses can change. Let's break it down into the most common situations. First, if you are filing your annual tax return, Form 1040, and you owe money, the mailing address will be listed in the official Form 1040 instructions for that tax year. For California residents who are enclosing a payment, the address is typically a special P.O. box in a city like Kansas City, Missouri. It is not an address in California. You must look at the instructions to find the exact P.O. box for your situation. Second, let's talk about estimated tax payments using Form 1040 ES. This is for self-employed individuals or people with other income not subject to withholding. Again, the correct mailing address is found directly on the Form 1040 ES payment voucher and in its instructions. For everyone in California, that address is currently a P.O. box in Charlotte, North Carolina. Notice again, it's not in California. A third scenario is if you've received a bill or a notice from the IRS, like a CP-14 notice, that says you owe money. In this case, the correct mailing address will be printed directly on the payment coupon included with that notice. Do not use an address you find online, only use the one provided in the letter they sent you. No matter which address you use, there are some critical steps to follow. Always make your check or money order payable to the U.S. Treasury, not the IRS. On the memo line of the check, write your Social Security number, the tax year, and the form number, for example, SSN XXXXXXXX 2023 Form 1040. Never send cash through the mail. Also, don't staple or paperclip your payment to your return, just place it loosely in the envelope. Honestly, the safest and most reliable way to pay is to skip the mail entirely. You can use IRS Direct Pay on the IRS website to pay directly from your bank account for free, and you get immediate confirmation that your payment was received. You can also use services like EFTPS or Pay by credit or debit card. So, the key takeaway is to always check the official IRS instructions for the specific form you're filing or the notice you received to find the correct, up-to-date mailing address. Thanks so much for watching. We hope this video helped clear up the confusion. If you found this information useful, please hit the like button and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more straightforward answers to your tax questions.